So hello everyone, here's the continuation of our report, music content on rhythm and tempo. So we have the time signature. So what is time signature in music? Time signature or meter signatures indicate how many beats are in each measure of a piece of music as well as which note value is counted as a beat. Here are the example of time signature, the 4 and 4 or the quarter notes. We can see that in the upper part, it indicates how many beats per measure. In the lower part, what notes get 1 beat. In the lower part, we can use any type of notes. It's either half note, quarter note, 8 notes, and 16 notes. In this example, we used a quarter notes. And now let's have the bar line. What is the bar in the music? The number we can do before going back to 1 and repeated. In short, magbalik-balik lang ang beat sa imuhang music. And now for you to understand, here are some example of time signature. The type of note we use is the quarter note. It means in the upper part, we counted as 4 beats. Because quarter notes will be played or sounded 1 beat. This is how it processes the 4 and 4 time signature. Here are another example of time signature in music. And now, let's proceed to tempo. What is tempo in music? The tempo, the speed at which a piece of music should be played. The word tempo in Italian means time. Here are some tempo markings in Italian. But before we proceed, tempo often measure of BPM. So what is BPM? BPM or beat per minute. 60 BPM is equal to 1 beat per second or a pretty slow tempo. And then 100 BPM is equal to 2 beat per second, a reactively tempo. Here are tempo marking in Italian and translated into English. First, we have the largo is equal to 40 to 60 BPM. Lagretto is equal to 60 to 66 BPM. Adagio has 60 to 72 BPM. Moderato is equal to 85 to 110 BPM. Allegro has 110 to 140 BPM. Presto is equal to 140 BPM. Vivace is equal to 156 to 176 BPM. Andantino is equal to 76 to 108 BPM. And lastly, Prestissimo is equal to 200 BPM. And this is the last part of my report. I hope you guys learned so many things and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.